Encountered a KGB archive promising massive compression ratios but unsure how to extract it? This format prioritizes size over speed dramatically. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with KGB Archiver compress files efficiently. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade KGB file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A KGB file is a highly compressed archive created by the KGB Archiver utility. Users encounter this format when they need to decompress a file known for its exceptionally high compression ratio, often surpassing popular formats like zip or RAR at the cost of significant processing time and memory usage. The KGB format utilizes the powerful PAQ6 compression algorithm, a context mixing model designed for maximum data reduction. The file is a binary container that prioritizes compression efficiency over speed, making it a choice for archival purposes where storage space is the primary concern, rather than quick access. We suggest testing the KGB file first with the utility, KGB Archiver from Tomasz Pawlak. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows handles basic formats, but often lacks support for specialized archives, requiring dedicated utilities. Your key action: right-click the KGB file and select Open With. If KGB Archiver is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the KGB file opens successfully. If your KGB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. This is a truly stubborn KGB file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, installing KGB Archiver. Download KGB Archiver from SourceForge.net or kgbarchiver.net, the original project sites. Install the application choosing standard installation options. Note that KGB Archiver development has slowed, but the software remains functional on modern Windows systems for handling existing KGB archives, requiring extreme compression decoding. Next, extracting archives. Right-click the KGB file and select Extract with KGB Archiver from the context menu or open KGB Archiver, and use the extract function selecting the archive and destination. Be patient as decompression can take significant time for large archives due to the computationally intensive PAQ6 algorithm requiring substantial CPU and memory resources. Finally, alternative extractors. Use pzip, a free archive utility that supports KGB format, alongside many others providing a unified interface for various compression formats. Download from pzip.org and use the extract function on KGB files. Pzip offers active development and broader format support, making it a practical alternative to the original KGB Archiver software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.